Today I have a Tascam DA40 DAT recorder. This one's in really good shape. And this one, according to the owner, says that the tape transport doesn't operate. It has the dreaded Mechacom error on the display. Let's check it out. I have a Tascam DA40. Don't know what's wrong with this one. We'll do an inspection on it before attempting to load any tapes. First we'll try turning it on. I get the Mechacom error message immediately. So let's pop the top off and see what's going on with this one. Of course, these ones have that tiny belt which goes bad on them all, which I don't have. I don't have any more belts. So hopefully we won't need a belt. The guy that sent me this one has been pretty good at supplying belts with them, so perhaps he already changed the belt on this before shipping it over, because he usually supplies belts with them when he ships them. As we remember, the last one I worked on, I had to put a belt in and I had to take one out of an old machine. There's a tape in the machine already, and it doesn't attempt to do anything. It's dead. Don't hear any motor action whatsoever. I noticed that there's a connector that's not plugged in here. It's not going to be that simple. Someone's going to feel awful silly if I plug that connector in and this machine starts working. I can tell you that right now. Someone is going to feel awfully silly. This might be a really, really simple You know that saying, oh crap. The person who owns this is probably saying that right about now. Because
Love. North America's commercial-free love songs.
Because there's nothing wrong with it. A power connector that connects power from the power supply board that goes over to the servo board was disconnected. Sorry to disappoint you guys. This I thought was going to be an interesting repair, but in this case there is no repair, and I won't say the name of the person. He's a viewer and he sent this in, and he's probably kicking himself right about now because it cost him $116 US to ship it to me, and it's going to cost about the same in postage to get it back. So that was an expensive oops. Now, maybe he bought it that way and it just didn't work, but maybe he was changing the belt and forgot to plug a connector in. Oh well. No names mentioned to protect the guilty, but this one here, as I say, doesn't need any work. This is a nice machine. I love these machines. These are really great machines. I have two of them myself, and we'll just see how many hours is on this one. Be interested in see here how many hours is on this drum on this thing. Where is it? Menu. Holy crap! 18 hours. This is brand new. This machine is brand new. It has 18 hours on it. I don't think I've ever seen one that low. I thought mine was low hours when I bought it. Mine had 100 hours on it, and my other one I think's got 120. But 18 hours is all this machine has on it. That is amazing. and it's in really good shape. It was a good score if you found this one, and got it for a good price, because these are really great machines. We'll just check it all out and just make sure everything else is working on it. Fast forward. There it goes. Stop, rewind. Play. Can't play that obviously, but it's working. So, simplest video of all times. Simplest video of all times. We'll just rewind the tape and eject it and make sure that everything works properly before packing this one back up and shipping it back halfway across the country. I won't need to do a test recording on it or anything because it's going to work. This has got no hours on it, this machine. There you go. Oh, might help if this tape isn't in properly. It wasn't sitting. When I ejected it, what happened there was it popped up a bit, so it wasn't sitting all the way in the tray. So I just push it back in like that properly so that it will load. There you go. This one's working. Wish I had more to say on this one, other than thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and you'll get notified of my new releases. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.